Your dance moves are kind of stiff. Oh my god.
How does it look?
It looks cool. I like his head. The little bonnet that he has on his head.
Close up on his head. His arms look hella long, huh?
He wants to give someone a hug.
Is the dress long enough?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna like trample on it, right?
No.
So it's the right length?
What shoes are you gonna wear?
It's black, so it doesn't. I don't think they make alien feet.
You should like wear silver boots.
Where am I gonna get some silver boots?
Broadway. Okay.